So guys, I participated in a Korean competition by KHeritage where we were supposed to find the Jakhodo tiger and Makpi from Kpop Demon. So I won one of the awards, guys, and this was shipped in from Korea. It's so long and I'm super excited. I want to share with you guys what is inside. So let's go ahead to open this, okay? So guys, I participated in a Korean competition by KHeritage where we were supposed to find the Jakhodo tiger and Makpi from Kpop Demon. So the Jakhodo tiger is a popular tiger in Korean history and heritage. So I submitted like pictures and book pictures of the Jakhodo tiger and Makpi in different places I found it. So I won one of the awards, guys, and this was shipped in from Korea. It's so long and I'm super excited. I want to share with you guys what is inside. So let's go ahead to open this, okay? So guys, due to all the shipping processes, you know, they had to check and uncheck, and yeah, it was assessed and it was open. So I'm just going to go ahead to open this. I'm excited to see what is inside. Da, 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 da. Voila, guys. It's an umbrella. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, this is really tightly packaged. This is so tightly packaged. Like, so I'm just going to use the scissors to cut here. Alright guys, this is it. It is so pretty. Yeah. And let's go ahead to open this. Alright guys, can you see this? I love this. Can you see it? Oh. So guys, this is what is inside. Yeah, it's so pretty. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't remember to like, to share, subscribe, to the notification button, and I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys.